studyportal.io. In this video, we are going to talk about the commission structure tab. When you click on commission structure tab, you will be able to see 5 tabs on the top. The first tab is for the commission structure. Here we have provided filters for country, state, university and college to customize your view. Here basically you will be able to see the list of institutes along with the maximum commission. We have provided the option to download this list as well as to take a printout of it for your reference. This general information includes your basic information, banking information. Here you need to enter the account details where your commission will be transferred. Upload documents, basically any document which would be required from your end, be it your PAN card, registration details by our compliance team, you will be required to upload that here. Agreement, basically these are the terms and conditions for recruiters. You can go through this agreement, and if you find any concern you can raise it at partners@studyportal.io. At the bottom you can provide your signature. For your security, we have provided the option to download this agreement as well as take a printout of it. We'll cover the next tab in the other video.